Nonstick coating starting to peel or scratch? Fix it fast. The Possible Cooker's pot is designed to last, but rough cleaning or the wrong utensils can wear it down early. Here's how to stop it from getting worse and keep your pot safe to use. Step 1. Stop using metal utensils. Metal spoons, forks, and whisks can slice through the nonstick layer. Switch to silicone or wooden tools only. A flexible silicone utensil set works best. I've linked the one I use in the description. Step 2. Clean the right way. If food sticks, soak the pot in warm soapy water before cleaning. Wipe with a non-abrasive sponge or soft cloth, not a scouring pad. Hard scrubbers can break down the coating and cause peeling over time. Step 3. Avoid thermal shock. Don't rinse a hot pot under cold water. Let it cool first. Sudden temperature changes can cause the coating to lift or crack away from the metal. Step 4. Check for real damage. Tiny surface marks or light scratches are usually cosmetic, but if the coating is flaking or chipping, stop using that pot and order a replacement. It's safe to keep cooking only if the surface feels smooth and intact. Step 5. Store it safely. Never stack heavy pans on top. If you need to nest pots, place a soft cloth or paper towel between them to prevent pressure scratches. If the coating keeps peeling despite proper care, contact Ninja support using the link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you keep your pot in good shape, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a silicone utensil set, I've linked the one I use below. It protects the nonstick coating and keeps your pot scratch-free. Thanks for watching, and cook smooth, not scraped.